Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I just want to welcome all my new subscribers, all my subscribers who have been with me for a long time, and I hope you enjoy being here. And today I've got a little bit of I just want to tell you, I've got some yarn to show you, which as you all know, I live in the UK. So past couple of weeks I've been really getting into my knitting. I've still been doing my crocheting, but I'm really into my knitting, and knitting obviously was my first love, so it's really nice to get back into that. And I was looking for I did a search on YouTube for knitting podcasters in the UK. I found quite a few. I found Potter and Bloom Emma, I found Emma C, I found Knit Sip, I put Nancy, who's in Canada, and then I found Woollen Wishes, which is two sisters-in-laws, Kirsty and Tracy, who live down south. I live up north, they live down south, and they're really fun. So all the ones that I've mentioned, guys, I'm going to put them in their links in the description box below. Check them out. And anyway, I was following watching Kirsty and Tracy, and they were talking about dyers here in the UK. Well, I've been getting my bougie one from America, and so obviously I've been paying double, because I've been paying the amount for the yarn and paying what I paid for the yarn. I've been paying for postage, and which is fine, but I wanted to find some English UK dyers. Anyway, I was watching Kirsty and Tracy. They're brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Really, I love them. I love watching them, and I've caught. They're only new to YouTube, and I really enjoy them. And anyway, they put me. They were talking about Siobhan Crafts, who's a young girl who dyes her own yarn. And so went and did a bit of investigation, and blow me down, this young dyer lives about 20 minutes from where I live here in Warrington. So I contacted Siobhan, I placed an order, I contacted her, and I was able to go and pick up my yarn instead of waiting for the post to come. So on the way back from the hospital today, which is Monday, I had to take the heart monitor back, and the traffic today, guys, was horrendous. So we quickly did a detour. Instead of coming home, we did a detour to Siobhan's, and she let me have a look at her studio, and the thumbnail is a wall of the yarn that she sells. I'll put the description in, I'll put the link to the description in the description box of her website. I'll also put a description in the description box all the links to the knitting podcasters who are out there. So I was absolutely delighted, and this is a little yarn haul from Siobhan Crafts here in the UK. And obviously it's sock yarn, guys. Sock yarn. So what I ordered from her was, on Instagram she showed this bag, which is look at that project bag. Isn't that just adorable, with all the bees and the honeycombs? So she had, if you bought the bag, you got them for £30, and it is Queen Bee, it's called, the yarn, and it's a sock weight, 100 grams, 400 meters, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. So I thought I want a nice, and I noticed there's just a little speck of orange, so I got a mini skein of orange, which is 500 grams, 200 meters, 85% superwash Polworth and 15% nylon. And I thought they would go, because this is like a peach, like a peach colour, I thought they would look fabulous as socks. So they were I ordered. So when I went and I saw her wall of yarn, so I got this as well, Siobhan Crafts. And so while I was there, I picked up some more sock yarn. Now this sock yarn I picked up for Rick. It's like a camouflage, and I thought it'd be ideal because my Rick is ex-army. He's a retired army warrant officer, and so I bought that to make him some Christmas socks. And then autumn, love autumn, but look at the colour of these. This is called Autumn Mystery. Isn't that, look, can you see all the colours in that, guys? And again, it's from Siobhan, and this is, I think both these, yeah, both these socks are 85% superwash Polworth and 15% nylon, but won't they make some lovely socks, guys? So yeah. Oh, and I got a little bag of toffees as well. So yeah, I'm really delighted, and we're having a little chat with Siobhan, and she was lovely. Only a young girl, and she does the shows, and when there's shows around and about, she's going to keep me, you know, the yarn shows up in the northwest, and you know, up north rather than down south, because it's too far for me to travel down south to a yarn festival, or you know. So she's going to keep me up to date and that, so that was really sweet, and it was really nice to meet her in person. I ordered the yarn on the website and I paid for postage, and she reimbursed the postage for me, which I thought was really sweet. I said she didn't have to bother, but she did that for me anyway, and I am just over the moon. And this bag, I mean, look at the little really nicely finished off with the little gold tone stoppers at the end, and it's quite nice. Be a nice sock bag, guys, really nice sock bag. So that's all from me for today. Please do check out the Knitting Podcasters. I know some of you are predominantly crocheters, but I think you will enjoy these ladies. They're really fun, and I found other yarn dyers here in the UK as well, which I've ordered from, so I'm waiting for them to come. So when they arrive, I'll do another yarn haul from UK dyers. So I'm really super excited, and supporting my UK dyers. So yeah, guys, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for all your support, for all your lovely comments, for all your well wishes. It's going to be 2 weeks at least before I get the results of the heart monitor, so please keep me in your prayers, and until the next time, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Bye for now.